Hey, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to show you the second method that you can use to really upscale your online business with either a bonus or a lead magnet. We talked about the three main things that you can use to really upscale your business quickly. That was in the first video. If you don't know, by the way, you can check out that link right there. It'll take you to it. But it is through either lead magnets, bonuses, or your own digital products. So we are working on the first two because it's more catered to newbies, right? So with that being said, I'll show you in just a minute. I'll see you on the other side. All right, you guys. So what we're gonna focus on in this one is about videos specifically with YouTube. So we get a lot of our knowledge these days. We get a lot of our education through YouTube. There's loads of content. So if you find something that you really can connect with, that you think that your audience will also enjoy, you can use other people's videos as your own lead magnets and your bonuses. All right, so it's very easy. If you just want to take somebody's video, this is my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, you will find a lot of product reviews and ways to make money online. You can check me out. But this is one that I like. I show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate marketing in 2022 without a website or a list, and all free methods. So if this is something that you want to give to other new or struggling affiliates, by all means you can. You just click on here, get the link, and you can convert YouTube to MP4. You can use any of these, and then you can save it and you can use it as your own. I don't mind. Now, that is one way you can do it. Or you can watch this, and if you want to put yourself in front of the camera like I'm doing, and you want to paraphrase the information that you learned, by all means you can. You can download OBS Studio, and it is a free online recorder that you can use. I've created a video about that. It's right up there. You can learn more about OBS. It's fairly straightforward. I don't use it myself, but it is fairly straightforward. You can check out. So you could record your own video talking about it, and you're going to learn, and you'll also have that authority as well. Now, if you don't want to do that, there is another way that you can do it as well. You can, I will provide a link where you can use video or audio, rather audio from the video, but you can just have the audio, and then you can insert it into a free site where it can convert it into text. So you could have it, you could put it on, if you have a website, put it on there, and then you could put images, and then you could put links, or you could create your own PDF as well with the spoken information. For example, on the video of Make Money with Affiliate Marketing in 2022 that I made, you could put that onto a PDF, put some images in there. You could take screenshots of what I'm showing the audience in my video as well, and then that could be your own personal PDF. And you could put it in a spinner as well. Once you put it into that text, you could put it into that Quillbot, for example, an article spinner, so it would be really uniquely yours. But you don't have to do that, but if you do want to do that, then that is a viable option to be creating your own bonuses and your own lead magnets. And then once you get the hang of things, you can start creating some of your own products yourself and then give those away. So those are three ways that you can really expand your online business. All right, so I hope you got some value from this. If you haven't checked out my first part of this two-part series, please do. It shows you another way that you can do that. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to guide you and help you along the way, along your journey. Subscribe if you're not. Also, guys, I put this in the other part one. If you want a template, a bonus template to use, then you can just click on the link down below. I'll give you my Testorama. This is my own product. Again, many of you are going to be aware of that. Just down in the link, and then you can modify it any way you want. Take images out, move backgrounds, but you'll have the basic dimensions and the basic gist of what the bonus page template will look like. All right, you guys, thank you for your time. I hope you got value from that. Keep in touch. Best of luck on your journey. Find me on Facebook if you want to talk more intimately, and I'll do my best to help you any way I can. Till then, all the best and take care.